We got bird threes, bird fours, and bird fives. Hey everybody, Chris G here, Positively Progressing. Thank you so much for tuning in and for your continued watching habits. Today I am stoked because I'm going to share with you an essential bebop exercise I came across when listening to some Charlie Parker. So I was listening to Bird one day. Isn't Bird great? After hearing that, I immediately thought, I should probably learn that. I should take that throughout the entire range of the horn and play it in all the keys. Here's an example of it. I call these bird fours. Once I started digging into this line a little bit more and really shedding it, I discovered even more benefits to the line than just having some classic bebop language. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I took this small little snippet of a transcription, made it into an exercise, and developed it into different ideas that you can use freely in your improvisation. I call them bird threes, bird fours, and bird fives. So before I show you how I expanded this idea, let's take a closer look at what's happening so that we can better understand it, so we can use it as freely as Bird did. So what we're looking at here is the Charlie Parker transcription. This is just a snippet of that solo you just heard, and this is where bird fours was born. So this is bird fours. And if you take a look at the last note of each of the bird fours, do you notice something familiar? Yes, sir. That's a major triad. Now that we have this information, we can pretty much play it over any chord. There's going to be more on that in another video, but let's focus on getting this exercise down. Just like we discussed, we have the bird fours. We also have the bird approach threes. And the bird fives. If you need these exercises written out in all the keys, bird threes, bird fours, bird fives, and a bunch of expansion ideas on those exercises, I've created the Bird Approach Note exercise book. Check out the link below for your copy. Let's start with bird threes. Now this is going to be a triplet exercise, hence the threes. Start by playing it slowly. Try playing it and then singing it, or vice versa. Singing it, playing it. Definitely make singing a part of your practice. It's going to help you get it into your ear faster, and it's going to make you more efficient with your time. After you get it in your ear and you start getting it under your fingers a little bit, then go ahead and add the metronome. Start slow, take your time. If you spend 10 to 15 minutes a day on 2 keys, you're gonna have all the keys in like less than a week. I said before that once I started digging in, this exercise started creating more opportunities and exploration. So I found out that this exercise is pretty awesome because it can help you practice different subdivisions. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Once you get a couple of keys down really, really well, go ahead and try starting this on different parts of the beat. Try it on the downbeat, which is the first triplet. Try starting the line on the second triplet. Then try starting the line on the third triplet. You're going to notice how this line starts to sound and feel slightly differently depending on where you start it. It's pretty cool. You remember what the bird fours sound like? Here's a quick example. Do that exact same thing, but starting off of each subdivision. So now you're starting off the different parts of the 16th note of the beat. The 1, the E, the and, the ah, right? You can also do this with my favorite version of it, bird fives. You might be saying, whoa, wait, What are bird fives? Here, let me show you what those sound like. Bird fives is exactly what it sounds like. It's just bird fours, just plus one. So this note's not normally there. And for bird four, you would normally get this. Ba-da-da-da, right? Ba-da-da-da, not a singer. But we add that extra half step in there below the target note. Take that away. And we have ba-da-da-da, ba-da-da-da, ba-da-dee-doo-da. I can't sing that low. We're over here. Now that you know the 3 different types of exercises, you had some examples, you know what to do, it's time to put some work in, start shedding this stuff. Remember, start slow, be patient. If this is a new sound to you, let it get into your ears. Don't forget to sing. Start practicing them in different ways once you have a couple of the keys down. You can practice them in half steps. You can practice them in whole steps. You can even try mixing them, going bird threes, then bird fours. Gets you like an odd meter type of feel. Don't forget to play the full range of your instrument. Wow, I know we did a lot today. You got the exercises, how to use them, how to play them off of each subdivision. You got your work cut out for you. Remember, if you need those written out, check out the Bird Approach Notebook. Check the link below. In the next video, I'm going to show you different ways to use this in your improvisation and to take your bebop vocabulary to the next level. Until then, keep shedding, have fun. Just remember, always positive, always progressing. Later.